lawyers in general. I think you can break them down into 3 categories, and I can say this truthfully because I believe at some point in my life, I fell in one or all of these categories.
What can we learn from Ted Lasso?
So you show up, and they tell you where to go, and what's a right, and who to sit next to, and maybe you don't want to sit next to that person.
Just a little bit about point-click care, PCC. It is used by 95% of skilled nursing facilities in North America.
But they really are responsible, even in my opinion, on a higher level for early detection of a wound.
If the judge has a policy or is receptive to your phone calls, by all means, take them up on that.
Because I've now heard from some other judges that that does work. I've just always taken the philosophy that there's nothing for me to inject.
And I was wondering what position or what suggestions you would have on how to address those issues.
File a motion for authority under 5374 in advance with your particular judge. Again,
cite some of that for these judges. Do their work for them and give them the language that they need to put into their orders or in their scheduling orders so that they can have the benefit of that.
What a lack of dignity in a choking case is. Just ask their family members, because they're appalled that a nursing home would allow their loved one to die in such a terrible way.